from today we are starting vaccination for age group of 15 to 18 years. The vaccination which we give is Covaxin for this age group, and almost from today at here in Vasco we are covering 2 schools for today. That is one school already we have covered, which is Sanjay School, and this is the ITI Bogda with a strength of around 250 students which we are going to cover by today. Subsequently, for over a period of 5 days we are going to cover 400 and 700 plus 4,700 plus population for this Mormugaon Vasco jurisdiction.
आतामेरेन तुमकां रिस्पॉन्स कसो आयला?
Response is very good. Students are anxious, but as we go and try to tell them, they are agreeing for the vaccination. But prior to that, we also tell to get a consent from the parents.
So any objection as of now coming from any family members अशें कितें बोवाळ बी
No,
जालो?
we didn't receive any objection or nothing. We are getting a very good response for this vaccination program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.